So with the mojito, first we'll cut the lime. With the lime, I wanna cut it into a wedge. One lime, I'll cut a nice big lime like that. I'll cut into six wedges. What I do is I take off the sides just a bit, so when I put it down, I can get a a uniform cut. Yeah. So I got two halves. Can everyone see that? Yeah. So I got 6 wedges. Oh, these are beautiful seedless lime, so we are lucky. In glass, I'm now going to squeeze all 6 lime wedges. I'm going to squeeze and throw 4 in. And this last 2, I'm just going to squeeze them. I'm going to throw them away. I'll squeeze them and throw them away. Why I do this is because when I start to muddle this drink, the oils and the pith of the limes, when you muddle it and you exert a lot of force into it, it makes the lime juice too bitter. So you don't want that. 4 is just nice. What I do is we take out a muddler. I'm a big guy, so I use a bigger muddler. So, and as you muddle your lime, you go in and you twist, and you go in and you twist, and you do it a few times until there's a decent amount of that's about 30 ml of lime juice in there. Okay, that's enough. You don't want to over muddle it. Do this, you add. After that, you add 15 ml of simple syrup. You can make simple syrup at home. You don't need to buy it. It's half a kilo of sugar to half a liter of water. You'll get 1.1 liters of simple syrup. Okay, and then what you're gonna do now is you're gonna add the mint. You choose good mint. You want a quality drink, you choose good mint. And I try to choose the bigger leaves. Okay. So with the leaves, you don't want to muddle them, because with mint, when you muddle, it gets really bitter. So what you're going to do is you're going to wake up the taste. You slap it in, just drop it into the drink. And now we add crushed ice. Glass up with crushed ice. You take your bar spoon and you stir. And when you stir, you want to bring up the mint. You're going to bring up the mint and the lime. You're going to make sure it comes to the top of the drink. To lift the drink up, you add a bit of soda water. Just a bit. You just splash your soda water. Get a mint sprig. Get a nice mint sprig. Get a sprig right in the center. Get a straw. Twist one straw. Here you go. That's a mojito.